Alkalize your body and fight disease with these 10 foods. You should balance everything in your life. You should balance your work and play, family and friends, saving and splurging, and the most important thing, balance healthy food with the occasional treat. Balance is the key to everything, including the body's pH levels. And remember, life is all about balance. The alkaline diet. First, you should know that the human body needs to maintain a balanced pH level, in order to stay healthy. Well, this means that when we eat acid-forming foods, the body tries to balance the blood's pH level by releasing alkaline-rich minerals into the bloodstream, such as calcium, phosphorus and magnesium. And, if we aren't eating enough alkaline-forming foods, the body has to pull these minerals from our bones, teeth and organs, which can cause fatigue and compromise the immune system, making us more vulnerable to illness. These are the most common acid-forming foods: grains, beans, meats, dairy products, fish, fast foods and processed foods. A balanced diet when it comes to pH is considered to be 20 to 40% acid-forming foods and 60 to 80% alkaline-forming foods. And now you probably ask yourself, what are the best alkaline-forming foods for the body? That's easy, you just have to read the article below and you will find out. You should incorporate these foods into your diet to keep essential minerals flowing and your immune system in tip-top shape. These are the top 10 alkaline foods on the planet. 1. Avocados. We all love avocados, right? Avocados are super healthy and delicious fruits. Did you know that avocados have a pH of 8.0, which alkalizes the body and helps to neutralize acidic foods in the stomach? This means that you should eat avocados every day. There are many different ways to incorporate this delicious fruit into your healthy diet. Spread some avocado on toast or a sandwich, add it to a salad, or make some homemade guacamole. 2. Ripe bananas. The medical experts say that if you eat a banana that isn't quite ripe can lead to constipation, acidity in the stomach and poor nutrient absorption. But you should know that if you eat a ripe banana with a few little brown spots, provides the body with vitamins, minerals and alkalinity. 3. Almonds. Did you know that almonds and almond milk are great sources of alkalinity? Well, yes, and they also help to lower cholesterol levels, improve brain function, aid in healthy digestion and leave the body perfectly balanced. How often do you eat almonds or drink almond milk? 4. Asparagus. Many experts around the world claim that asparagus is one of the most powerful alkaline-forming foods with a pH of 8.5. You should also know that it provides the body with fiber, water, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. 5. Watermelon. We all love watermelon, especially in the hot summer days. This super healthy and delicious fruit has a pH of 9.0, and it offers vitamins, minerals and water that keeps electrolytes balanced. This tasty fruit also has a high fiber content that makes it great for eliminating toxins. 6. Cayenne pepper. We can easily say that cayenne pepper is one of the healthiest spices in the world. Cayenne pepper has many health benefits, including being a good source of alkalinity to the body. It's an antibacterial spice with a pH of 8.5. This super healthy spice can provide many health benefits such as improve circulation, lower blood pressure, eliminate toxins and even boost brain function. 7. Papaya. People use papayas to soothe digestion problems. Papayas are nutrient bombs. They contain fiber, water, vitamins and minerals to improve overall health. They are a great source of alkaline for the body. How often do you eat papayas? 8. Broccoli. Did you know that broccoli is a highly alkalizing food that offers plenty of fiber and nutrients? Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, which means that it will help keep you full and alkaline. 9. Lemons. We can easily say that lemons are one of the healthiest fruits on the planet. Yes, they taste acidic, but when digested they are actually transformed into an alkalizing substance for the body. Note: you should add a few slices of lemon or lemon juice to your water throughout the day. 10. Garlic. Garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It's loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. Adding garlic to your dishes can spice them up and help to neutralize acidic foods such as meat, fish, cheese and eggs. Sprinkling some garlic on your greens will give you plenty of fiber and nutrients while keeping the body alkaline. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.